Here's the narration script. Most people think hitting submit on EVA means you're registered and ready for Virginia contracts. That's the biggest myth out there. Your account sits invisible to every buyer until one specific form clears, and skipping it is why so many small businesses wait for opportunities that never come. Today, I'll show you exactly how to register the right way the first time. Here's why this step matters more than people realize. EVA is Virginia's central e-procurement marketplace, and one registration puts you in front of over 100 state agencies and public universities at once. It's free to register, and it's what turns on automatic solicitation notifications in your commodity areas. You also can't receive a purchase order or get paid without being in the system. Pair your EVA account with SWAM, spelled SWAM, certification, and you're fully set up to bid across Virginia. Step 1, gather your business information before you start the form. You'll need your legal business name and your federal tax ID, the FEN, spelled FEIN. Have your contact details and your remittance, meaning payment information, ready too. If you already hold a SWAM certificate, keep it handy. You'll also need to complete a Commonwealth of Virginia Substitute W-9, so know that's coming. Step 2, head to the EVA Register Now page and create your vendor account. EVA offers 2 service levels, basic and premium, and both are free to register for. The difference isn't cost, it's extras. Premium just adds optional tools and added visibility features on top of the same core listing. Step 3 is the one people skip, and it's the one that actually matters most. You have to complete the Commonwealth of Virginia Substitute W-9. This form captures your tax identification and your remittance information so agencies can actually pay you. Until EVA receives it, your registration is not considered complete, and you stay invisible to every buyer searching the system. Step 4, select your commodity codes. And here's a detail that trips up a lot of new vendors. EVA matches you to solicitations using NIGP codes, not NAICS codes, which is the system most federal vendors are used to. Choose every NIGP code that reflects what you actually sell. Pick too few, and you'll simply never hear about solicitations you were qualified for. Step 5, set your notification preferences and submit. Turn on email notifications so EVA sends you matching solicitations automatically instead of you having to search the portal every day. Once you submit and your substitute W-9 is processed, your account activates and you become discoverable to Virginia buyers. A few mistakes bounce applications more than any others. Skipping the substitute W-9 is the single most common reason a registration stalls. Selecting too few commodity codes is the second. Some vendors also confuse the transaction fee with a registration fee. Registering is free. EVA only charges 0.75% on actual purchases, capped at $500 a year for most vendors and $50 a year for small businesses under $500,000 in annual revenue. And letting your contact or remittance details go stale quietly costs vendors both notifications and payments. Once you're registered, the real work is staying on top of which solicitations actually match you. And that's where most people fall behind. DuoGov watches Virginia's EVA listings against your commodity codes and services the ones worth your time so nothing slips past you. Head to DuoGov.com and let your registration actually start paying off.